Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to integrate social media. In our last TPS activity, we had looked at identifying a social media platform for creating visibility for an institute event. So is just one platform enough, or do we need more than one? And do they work in isolation or do they work together? Yes, we will answer all these questions in the next few minutes. But before that, let me share some interesting facts with you. Did you know that 65% of the American adults were using social networking sites in 2015, a nearly tenfold jump in the past decade? And age was found to have a direct correlation with use of social media. Almost 90% young adults, that is, people in the age group of 18 to 29, are on social media. Can we ignore social media anymore? Some more interesting facts. When we look at a global digital snapshot of the total population, 3.419 billion are internet users, 2.307 billion are active social media users. Let us look more closely at home. So in Asia Pacific region, the growth within the number of active social media users has been plus 14%. In just 1 year, that is from January 2015 till January 2016. Yes, friends, social media is here to stay. And therefore, we need to understand how to use this platform. So what's happening is that companies worldwide are using social media to connect with their consumers, build brand, create awareness. But how do they do it? Are they integrating it? Are they using it in isolation? And that's exactly what the discussion is about today. So yes, when we are talking about integration, some tips include social media buttons on your website and emails. Understand the difference between Facebook, for example, LinkedIn, for example, Instagram, for example, Twitter. What is it? Are they all performing the same function? Now look at Twitter. Twitter allows you to share short, crisp response comments around 140 characters. In fact, that's a maximum. So it's more about updating. On the other hand, Facebook helps in elaborating with photographs. It's more about discussion. So can you see the difference? While Twitter is more about updates, Facebook is more about discussions, and on the other hand, Instagram, it's more about visuals because it helps in sharing photographs. Now, can you imagine if we integrate just these three platforms together by providing these social media buttons on your website or your email? So while one will update the consumers, the second will provide a platform for discussions, and the third will provide the visuals. Are companies doing it? Of course they are doing it. Check what the famous rivals Coca-Cola and Pepsi are doing. Check what good institutes like SCMS Pune are doing. And check what even the Prime Minister's office is doing. They are all using different social media platforms, not in isolation, but together, integrating them, understanding that each one has its own advantages, each one is specialized in its own territory. So, I hope I have motivated you enough to understand, analyze, and implement the use of social media. Go ahead. Try integrating the various platforms. Relook at that assignment. And let's see if we can integrate them together to create visibility for the event of the institute. Till next time, take care.